Good day. In this training video, we'll have a look at the process of reconciling statements in the banking module of MYOB Advanced. To simplify reconciliation with bank statements, we can import multiple statements from Excel files or files in OFX format and match transactions manually or automatically using the bank transaction rules. Also, while performing reconciliation, we can apply payments to the documents. Let's say we've downloaded the statement from the bank for the short-term deposit account we created and used in the previous videos. From the banking module, navigate to the reconciliation statements form under transactions and click on the new record button to add a reconciliation statement for the short-term deposit cash account. Now, select the applicable cash account. Note that we are still in the last day of the month, as we've changed the business date previously. The business date will default to the reconciliation date and the load documents up to date, but can be changed if required. In the statement balance field, let's now enter the final balance shown on the bank statement. In the reconcile checkbox column, check the entries that match those in MYOB Advanced from the bank statement. We can also add transactions on the fly by selecting Create Adjustment on the grid toolbar. These transactions are called quick transactions. Say we had a bank charge that we only saw once the bank statement was downloaded. We could then select Create Adjustment and complete the fields in the Quick Transaction dialog box. We now have a zero difference between the reconciled balance and the statement balance and don't need any further editing done. The whole checkbox can now be cleared and we can release the statement. As a result, the status of the reconciliation statement changes to closed. All documents with the reconcile checkboxes selected are included in the reconciliation statement. And that brings us to the end of our overview on reconciliation statements. Please let us know with your feedback and join us again for more as we explore MYOB Advanced through our training videos. Thank you for watching.